work really hard, our teachers and our judges. I just want a quick acknowledgement to them. We have our principal, of course, Mr. Crabtree. And then we have our assistant principal, Mrs. Lopez. And our amazing counselor, Mrs. Aguilar. And our timekeeper is Mrs. Lopez, our librarian. And our checker is going to be Mr. Sanchez.
He's right there.
Okay, so I just want to really quickly touch over the audience etiquette. Listen quietly during the challenges. Look at the stage. Sit calm and quietly. That's the most important thing, boys and girls, when they're up there. They're a little nervous, just like I am right now. But if you're quiet and you're listening, that'll ease them down. Be respectful to all participants and no shouting or noises during the challenge. So we're going to start off right now with our third grade winners. If y'all can line up.
One quick thing too. Students and parents, if there's a question, and it's almost natural, we want to mouth out the answer. And if they look back and they're seeing answers, you may be giving them the wrong one. So we're just all going to be respectful, students too. And we're not going to yell out answers. We're not going to voice answers. We're not going to hold up fingers, anything like that. Let's see what they know. And I know they're all going to make us proud, okay? Because you know what? Sometimes when we give the answer, we're not giving the right one. So we need to make sure we're not messing them up. All right? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So right now I want our third grade winners, our first and second place winners. They're going to introduce themselves to everyone and say their teacher, and then they'll head up on stage. So just say your name and whose class you're in.
Harley, Miss Amethyst. I'm Jordan, and I'm in Miss Amethyst. I'm Nathaniel, and I'm in Miss Jimenez's class. Christopher, and I'm in Miss Sanchez's class. I'm Jalen, and I'm in Miss Sanchez's class. I'm Jordan, and I'm in Miss Jimenez's class.
Thank you. Okay, so just let me explain the instructions to the audience. The students have a multiplication chart 0 through 12, and they're going to complete it the quickest, but it has to be correct. So Mrs. Lopez is going to have her timer, and when, boys and girls, when the first person who finishes, pick it up, and she's going to tell you your time, just the way we practiced in class when we were in there. So whenever you finish your chart, pick it up, and then she'll tell you your time, 3 minutes, whatever. You'll write it down, and then Mr. Sanchez will come and check your answers. Once we have a correct choice, we'll stop the challenge, and everybody will come back and sit down, except the person who got first will sit right here at the edge, and then we'll repeat the process with fourth and fifth until we get to the final round. Is there any questions from y'all? None? Okay. So when Mrs. Lopez says go ahead, grab your paper. Write your name on it. Don't start filling out the questions, the numbers. So just write your name, and when she says go, you may begin. And as soon as you finish, raise it up, and she's gonna tell you your time, and Mr. Sanchez will come and check. But just because someone finishes first, remember, boys and girls, don't stop, because they could have some incorrect answers. So, whenever Mrs. Lopez is ready.
And remember, I only gonna stop the timer when you lift up your paper.
Just hit it.
Okay, ready? Are you right? Get set, go.
If you can check his answers. Okay, congratulations, Nathaniel is going on to the final round. If you want to exit the stage. Let's give everyone a round of applause, boys and girls. Y'all can come sit over here. Thank you for working very hard, third graders. Nathaniel, you can sit right here. Okay, let's have our fourth graders come line up right here. Introduce yourselves and say your teacher's name.
The moment in Miss Lozano's class. Catalina Lozano's class. Haley in Evans' class. Michael in Miss Evans' class. Jaden in Miss Grant's class. Miss Grant's class.
Okay, thank you, fourth graders. Good luck. Okay, as they're writing their name, I'll just remind them of the rules. As soon as you're done completing your chart, go ahead and raise it up above your head. Mrs. Lopez will give you your time, and Mr. Sanchez will check it. And as soon as we have the first correct winner, everybody will stand up and the crowd will applaud for everybody. Yes, Mark? Okay, whatever the answer is. You have to put what the answer is. Okay, whenever Mrs. Lopez is ready, she'll say go.
Think about 3 off.
Okay, let's stop. If y'all could stand up and everyone, let's give our fourth graders a round of applause. Congratulations to Haley. She had a time of 2 minutes and 32 seconds. She had a time of 2 minutes and 32 seconds, Haley. Okay, if we can have our fifth graders. Okay, they're going to introduce themselves and say their teacher's name.
Lana, Miss Jefferson.
Okay, boys and girls, let's listen to them. Robert, Miss Bryan's class.
Aiden, Miss Kathy's class. Troy and Miss Rice's class. Mallory and Miss Rice's class.
Mariel, and Miss Bryan's class.
Now they're shy.
Okay, go ahead and put your name. And when Mrs. Lopez says go, you'll begin. Remember, as soon as you're done filling it out, raise it above your head and she'll give your time and Mr. Sanchez will check your charts. Okay, congratulations. We had Aiden with a time of 3:04. If our fifth graders could stand up and let's give everyone participating a round of applause. Okay. Now we're gonna have one more challenge, but it's between our teachers. Yeah, our teachers. Let's see if our teachers can be, and then we'll go into the final round. So this is a little break just to let's breathe. Okay, listen, boys and girls. If I could have my third grade teachers come to the stage. My third grade teachers, Mrs. Evans. Let's go, Mrs. Evans. Miss Sanchez, Mrs. Bryant, Miss Bryant, Mr. Crabtree's joining in on the fun. Miss Grant, come on, Miss Grant. You teach math. Miss Grant, if you'd like to participate, you can too. Miss Kathy, would you like to join? You can if you want to. Miss Lozano, do you want to join? You don't have to. It's up to you. Mrs. Rice, would you like to join? Okay, boys and girls, boys and girls, fifth grade. Boys and girls, let's not forget the audience etiquette that we discussed when we started this. They're just as nervous as anyone who would be up here competing would be nervous. Mrs. Rice, would you like to come? No? Okay. Ms. Lopez, you want to come? Ms. Aguilar? Ms. Okay.
Wait, the fifth grade math teacher has a question about the multiplication chart. No.
Okay, so let me just give a quick recap. We had Haley Evans with a time of 2:32. We had Nathaniel in third grade with a time of 3:04. And then we had Aiden with a time of 3:12. So let's see which one of our teachers. Okay, when Mrs. Lopez says ready, and let me just go over the rules really fast. When you pick up the paper above your head, she'll give you your time. Write it, and Mr. Sanchez will check.
Don't work that quick. Can't help it. I know, right?
Okay, boys and girls, let's calm down so we can see what Mr. Sanchez says. He has to check in, Mr. Sanchez. Okay, boys and girls, let's bring it down. We're waiting to see what Mr. Sanchez says.
If it's a zero, then don't be mad.
Congratulations, Mrs. Kathy. Okay, since Mrs. Kathy won first place for our staff, boys and girls. Okay, let's listen to see what Mrs. Kathy's prize was. She won a $25 gift card to Grub Bar. Okay, so. Okay, so now we're going into our final round for our third grader, Nathaniel, our fourth grader, Katie, and our fifth grader, Aiden. But this one, you will not be Okay, let's listen because now we're switching it up. We are not going to be filling out the multiplication chart. You're actually going to solve multiplication problems and word problems that I will read to you. So let me go over the rules for y'all three. You're gonna go there and you're gonna have your whiteboard and we're gonna give you a marker. You're gonna have to listen to the problem and write your answer down. When you turn around like this, the first person will get the point. That's why we have our 3 judges. They will be the deciding factor, okay, who did it first. So we're gonna do some practice ones too before we start doing points. So if y'all go up to the stage. Okay, so let's do some practice rounds so you understand how you will earn your point. Every time you get a point, you will write it up in the left top corner, you'll put 1 point. So this is just a practice round, and we're gonna have Nathaniel turn around first. So even though Hayden and Aiden, you write the answer, don't turn around, let Nathaniel turn around first, and then that's how we'll see who gets the point. So here's the question. What is 2 times 2? Turn around, Nathaniel. So who turned around first? Nathaniel. Turn around, Haley. And then Aiden. So Nathaniel would get the point because he turned around first. Let's do one more practice one. But you don't have to write the problem out. You can just write the answer if you want. But some problems you will have to write it out. Okay? This is another practice round. What is 15 times 3? Okay. Aiden, he would get it. So then Aiden would put the point on the top left. Boom. Okay. Yes. Oh, okay. Here's another thing from the judges. If they cannot read it, they cannot say, oh, that is 45. They have to be able to read your answer.
Once you turn, step to the side so we can see.
Okay, so let's practice that. Turn, step to the side. Here's the last practice question. Joe had 7 boxes. In each box, there were 7 bananas. How many bananas does Joe have? Step to the side.
I can't read yours.
Gotta make sure.
Close up your belly.
Okay, make sure that it's legible. Is there any other things we need to clarify, judges? No. Legible, turn to the side. Okay.
I can read it, but don't worry. I got your back.
And they'll discuss who gets the point, and they'll say Haley, Nathaniel, or Aiden, and then you'll write your point. Okay, are we ready? Boys and girls, if you know the answer to the problem, there is no shouting out or no helping them. Okay, number 1. There are 2 peanuts in each box. How many peanuts are in 10 boxes? Aiden, 1 point. Remember, you don't have to write the problem out. Okay, 9 times 9 is? Aiden, 1 point. Make them big, Aiden, so we can see the points. There you go. Okay, number 3. 20 times 7. Aiden. Okay, number 4. Okay, listen to this one. There were 55 candles in each box. How many candles are in 9 boxes? Aiden again. Okay, number 5. Okay, number 5. Each child has 29 erasers. If there are 7 children, how many erasers are there in total? Nathaniel. Go ahead and put your point, Nathaniel. And boys and girls, I just want to tell you how proud we are of y'all. I know it takes a lot of courage to go up there in front of your peers. Trust me, I'm feeling it right now. So I'm right there with you. We're on number 6? Okay. Number 6. 482 times 5. Okay, Aiden. So Aiden, we're gonna have you step to the side because you have 5 points already. That's our minimum. So just go ahead and wait. Now we're gonna see who's gonna get 4 points. Number 7. So now it's between Haley and Nathaniel. Each child has 9 bananas. If there are 93 children, how many bananas are there in total? Okay, Nathaniel, go ahead and put your point. Okay, number 8. Jared built 25 snowmen. He used 2 sticks for the arms of each snowman. How many sticks did Jared use in all? Both get a point. Okay, number 9. 513 times 8. Nathaniel. Okay, we're going to 5 points. Okay, number 10. 741 times 4. Haley. Okay, number 11. 555 times 5. Haley. Okay, so Haley has 3 points. Nathaniel has 4 points. We're challenging to 5 points. That's where we're gonna stop. Okay, let's listen. Number 12. Chad is buying shovels. They are $4 each, and he buys 4 of them. How much money did he spend? Nathaniel. report, if we can have our principal come to the stage so he can award our multiplication master challenge winners. All three of y'all are winners. Okay, in third place, Haley Evans, she's in fourth grade. She's getting a third place trophy and a gift card to Jamba Juice. Look at Mrs. Lopez, Haley. Look at Mrs. Lopez, show her your card. So she's the third place representative. Okay, in second place, we have Nathaniel in third grade, and he's getting 4 movie passes to Century 16. Congratulations, Nathaniel. And our first place winner, which is Aiden, he's in 5th grade. He's getting his first place trophy, and he's getting a $50 gift card to Dave & Buster's. And if we could take a group picture, if y'all could all get together.
Let's give all of our Shamrocks a big round of applause. Thank you, Ms. Rincon, for working so hard on this. We had a great time. Now sit up here for a second. Good job, good job. We want to make this a new tradition. Every year we're going to grow a little bit, and it's going to become something big that other schools are going to copy. Thank you, Ms. Rincon, for starting that ball rolling. You did a great job. To all of our Shamrocks out there, especially our 3rd and 4th graders, you know what you got to do. You got to get that time up. You got